In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix domain to GoHighLevel. First, sign into your GoHighLevel account and open the location you want to work in. Down at the bottom left, click Settings. In the Settings menu, find and open Domains and URL Redirects. This is where all domain connections, purchases, and redirects are managed inside your account. On this page, you'll see options to purchase a new domain or transfer one in. If your domain is already registered with Wix, you don't need to buy or transfer it. Instead, choose the option to connect a domain. This tells GoHighLevel you're going to use a domain managed elsewhere and simply point it over. You'll be asked what you're connecting the domain to. Select the asset type you're publishing, such as a funnel, website, store, blog, or webinar. That choice makes sure the domain routes visitors to the correct place. You may also notice other tabs like email, WordPress, client portal, or branded domain. Those are for different use cases, but for a Wix domain pointing to a GoHighLevel site, stick with the web option that matches your project. After choosing the asset type, click Connect. Now type in the domain or subdomain you plan to use. Most people connect a subdomain like www.yourdomain.com or a descriptive subdomain such as go.yourdomain.com. Using a subdomain keeps your root domain free for other uses if you need it. When you're ready, click Continue. At this point, GoHighLevel will generate the DNS records you need to add at your domain host. Since your domain is on Wix, open your Wix domain settings in a new tab and edit the DNS for that domain. Create or update the A record to the exact IP address GoHighLevel provides, and add the CNAME record exactly as shown, typically pointing the www host to the GoHighLevel target. If Wix already has an A or CNAME record for the same host, remove or replace it so there's no conflict. Save your DNS changes. Domain changes can take a little time to propagate across the internet, sometimes within minutes, and in some cases up to 24-48 hours. Back in GoHighLevel, the system will check for the new records and verify the connection. Once verified, set this domain as the primary for your chosen funnel or website and confirm any default path or homepage settings. SSL will auto-provision, so give it a moment if you see a pending status. If verification seems slow, double-check spelling, make sure there's only one A record for the root, and confirm the CNAME value matches exactly. When everything turns green, your Wix domain is successfully connected to GoHighLevel.